In this video, we'll show you how to use the subtotal label, total label, and void key on the Uni-5, Uni-7 scale. So first, we're going to call up PLU1. We're going to print it under an operator. And there's my item there. Okay, so that's one transaction. Let's print a few more. And then it's the same PLU. So I have 3 labels printed. Now, if I press, this is the down arrow key, I have a total display and subtotal display and a void key. The void key is used to void the last transaction as long as the PLU is up here. If I switch PLU, the void key is no longer valid and I have to void it out another way. So if I, just to show you, if I go to subtotal display, so far I have 3, which is true. There's 3 labels there. If I exit out, if I press void, that voids the last one, so that's why I only have 2. Same thing, total display, I have 2. So you have the PLU total and the grand total. So the grand total is the total of all the PLUs. And so right now I only had one PLU1 printing. So if I exit out and do PLU2, so 2 PLU. So remember here, I voided the last one, which I believe was this one. Now I have only 3 transactions. If I go down to my subtotal display, there's 3 transactions. Total display, on PLU2 there was only 1, because I only used 1, the other 2 were PLU1. And then grand total is 3. Okay. The difference between total display and subtotal display is subtotal display will be erased once I print this. So if I press print, now it goes to 0. Now this is a total of accumulation of all the PLUs I've done. So PLUs 1 and 2. Their total pieces, total weight, and a total price. On the total display, it still has 3, and PLU 2 is still showing me 1. So if we need to modify the totals, so let's say I've gone too far, I went to use another PLU, oh, I need to void one of these transactions. So I can go into mode, total, operate, total adjust. So I'm going to number subtract. I'm going to subtract this one here, which is PLU1. So I'll hit 1 PLU. And I'll enter in 1 piece. I can enter in the weight, 1100, 1100, and then 769, and then subtract that. That's it. And that leaves me with just this one here. So that's how you would modify the totals. If you wanted to print the total display, so you want to print this grand total, just call up the total display and then hit the print key, and then you have your total there. And that's how you use your total display, subtotal display, and your void key, and then adjusting your totals. So now, at the end of the day, it's crucial that you clear out your totals so that way you don't mix up your totals from the previous day. So if you went to mode, total, go down to page 2, total clear, you want to clear out your daily totals, weekly totals, cumulative totals. If you don't clear it out, well, the following day you're going to have your total data will continue on. So that might be then you're going to mix up with your totals, especially if your PLUs, you only did 1 red snapper today, but then if you don't clear this out tomorrow, let's say you do 2, then you will have 1 more because it accumulates from yesterday's date. So it's crucial that, total clear these out. You don't need traceability unless you do the traceability total, and then we'll execute. and that clears out the totals. And then we can see here it's empty. So from software you can schedule that to pull the totals to clear it out, and also you can get a report if you have the software connected. It'll pull your totals and organize it, and whether it's a daily, weekly, and then production cumulative total.